What I'm preparing today is a Neapolitan recipe that has been recently brought back to the limelight by the web. Easy stuff: spaghetti, tomato, basil and cheese. Scarpariello pasta. Don't you know what it is? But I'll explain it to you straight away. Let's start with the main ingredient of the recipe: tomato. I have Datterini tomatoes here. Over time, they have become the most widely used variety for this recipe. I cut them into halves. In ancient times, the wives of the Scarparielli, the Spanish quarter shoemakers, used to prepare this dressing with leftover ragu sauce. And I'll put the tomatoes aside, because now I'll deal with the second main ingredient: cheese. Cheeses, in fact, because there are two. First the Parmesan cheese, and then the Pecorino cheese. I'll grate them both. The shoemakers were sometimes rewarded for their artisan work with various pieces of cheese. It's time to move to the stove. In another pan, immediately a nice round of oil. Then a clove of garlic that I've already peeled. Then chili that I have seeded and chopped. And in go the tomatoes. Tomatoes and pasta will cook exactly at the same time. The tomatoes are well softened. I add salt. Then I remove the garlic. I add some of the basil, tearing it with my hands. And before dipping the pasta directly into the seasoning, I add some pasta water that is rich in starch and will help me make a delicious cream. I stir it. And in goes the pasta. I'll add some more pasta water. Right then, the pasta's cooked. I turn off the heat and add the cheeses, little by little, in order to make the delicious cream that I'm looking for without it getting stringy. Let's adjust the consistency with a little more pasta water. Let's finish it with the remaining basil, tearing it by hand again. And now let's dish up. The Scarpariello pasta is a quick, simple, creamy and delicious first course. Below you find the link to the photo recipe on GZ, where you'll find all the ingredients, doses and step-by-step procedure. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a nice like or a comment if you have any questions. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to GZ channel right away to keep you up to date on all the latest news. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and then let me know.